good, thank you. So I know that Governor last week spoke about possibly implementing a mask ban. I was hoping you could explain just a little bit what you were thinking about this. Would it be just on public transit? Would it be everywhere in public spaces? And how would you ensure that people who need a mask could actually wear one? And then for you, Deputy Mayor, I was just hoping you could also just give a migrant update just on numbers and how many people have moved upstate and just what are some of the roadblocks there?
The mask has several conversations with the governor, and I talked about the mask issue for some time now. I asked storekeepers to have people pull down their mask before even temporarily, and it's all about a question. Someone has a mask and they ask if you're wearing a mask for health reasons, people could respond. So it's all about the proper implementation, and the law was in place. It was in place. It was removed after COVID. I'm a strong supporter of the decision of stopping masks on our subway system, masks in protests, and masks in other areas where it's not health related. And I think that you're going to see a great deal of very violent protests and some of this despicable behavior we're seeing. I think you're going to see it dissipate. Because masks are not new, and covering your face while you do terrible things is not new. There were these guys that used to ride around with hoods in the Deep South. So cowards cover their faces. If you believe in something, then stand up and show your face and believe it and talk about it. But standing on our trains, telling people if you're Zionists, raise your hand and get off, show your face and say that. So I believe the governor's in the right place, and I strongly support it, and I hope we get it done. And I'm happy to hear from what I read that even AG is looking in this direction. The quicker we do it, I think it's going to stop a lot of these crimes we're seeing. People are using masks to commit crimes, to commit assaults. The difficult thing for the police department is defining suspects because of their full covering. And this is going to help us greatly.